In this video, we'll explain how to inspect your product at least once a year. Beforehand, make sure you have the instruction manual. Start off by detaching the two snap buttons at the bottom of the t-shirt to separate the inflatable bladder from the t-shirt. Then, open the back slot to remove the bladder, taking the abdominal floaters out through the t-shirt's upper openings. Visually inspect the t-shirt, checking the integrity of structural stitches. If they are cracked, replace just the t-shirt part. Visually inspect the bladder, checking there aren't any cuts, scratches, or abrasions. Do this on both faces. If there are any defects, replace the bladder equipped with the inflator. Then, check the operability and non-expiration of the inflator's 3 elements. On the CO2 capsule, make sure there is no corrosion, that the seal is intact, then check the manufacture date, written using the format month/year, February 2023, and add 5 years to know the expiration date. On the soluble detector, make sure the indicator is green, and check the expiration date, directly mention on the element using the format month/year. Finally, on the inflator, the manufacture date is engraved on one of the 2 faces, represented by 2 dials pointing to the month and year. Add 5 years to know the expiration date. If the conditions aren't fulfilled on one of the 3 elements, proceed, depending on the case, to replace the recharge or both the inflator and bladder. You have now finished your product's inspection. All that's left is to put the bladder back into the t-shirt. To do so, insert the abdominal floaters in the t-shirt slots. Use the openings at the bottom of the t-shirt to reach the bladder and guide it in the slot. Put the inflator's soluble detector through the elastic loop inside the slot. Same thing on both sides. Don't forget to push the snap buttons shut. Then, turn the t-shirt around. Fold the bladder into a point shape. Insert it into the slot. And close the back slot. Your product is ready.